hate sin. And if you mess around with it, you just can't win. And so it goes till the day you die. This thing they call sin is gonna make you cry. With every sin, your conscience shrinks. One thing for sure,
sin stinks.
sin stinks. Yeah, yeah.
Sin stinks.
Sin stinks. Yeah, yeah.
Sin stinks.
Sin stinks. Yeah, yeah.
Sin stinks.
Sin stinks. Yeah, yeah. Jesus Christ, He came and died because He loves you. Yes, He does, in spite of your pride. He'll cleanse your sin. He'll take you in. Then you will live in joy with Him. I don't care what the devil thinks. All I can say is
Sin stinks.
sin stinks. Yeah, yeah.
Sin stinks.
Sin stinks. Yeah, yeah.
Sin stinks.
Sin stinks. Yeah, yeah.
Sin stinks.
Sin stinks. Yeah, yeah. Shoot up. Shoot up. Shoot up. Shoot, shoot, shoot up. Shoot up. The Bible says in red and black ink, sin leads to death.
Sin stinks.
Sin stinks. Yeah, yeah.
Sin stinks.
Sin stinks. Yeah, yeah. Sin stinks. Sin stinks. Yeah, yeah.
Sin stinks.
Sin stinks. Sin stinks. Yeah, yeah.
Sin stinks.
Sin stinks. Sin stinks. Yeah, yeah.
Sin stinks.
Sin stinks. I mean it stinks. Yeah, yeah.
Sin stinks.
Sin stinks. Sin stinks. Yeah, yeah.
Sin stinks.
Sin stinks. Sin stinks. Yeah, yeah.
Sin stinks.
Sin stinks. Sin stinks. Yeah, yeah.
Sin stinks.